Welcome back to Factful Fridays. Last time we decoded red warning lights and why they demand immediate action. Today let's shift our focus to the orange and yellow ones, what they mean and when to act. The orange or yellow lights. These are less urgent but still important. You can continue driving your car but make sure to see your nearest Maruti Suzuki service center to have it repaired. Low fuel alert. You're basically running low on fuel. Time to refill. ABS warning light. An issue with an anti-lock braking system or a system breakdown. Electric power steering light. Means there is an issue with your power steering. Immobilizer or keyless push start warning light. Your key might not be detected. Master warning indicator light means there is a problem with one or more of the vehicle's systems. Low tire pressure warning light. One or more tires need air. Acoustic vehicle alerting system warning light. A sound system issue in hybrids and electric vehicles. So remember, red light means act now and orange light means act soon. To know more, visit us at your nearest Maruti Suzuki service center. We are always here to help. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your comments and suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay informed, stay safe.